Good afternoon, student. Today we will discuss the new chapter, that is the living organism and their surroundings. That is chapter number 9. So let's start with this study that we have already know about the living things, living organisms. So let's start with the basic introduction, that is living things which need food, water, air for their survival are called living things. All the animals need food, water and air to survive or live, so all the animals are living things. All plants and animals are living things. Those things which do not need food, water and air for their survival are called non-living things. So we can say that non-living things are those things which do not need food, air and water for their survival. Those things which do not need water and air for their survival is called non-living things. The living things are called organism, and the study of living things is called biology. So what are the characteristics of the living things? Let's discuss. The living things need food, air and water. Living things can grow. Living things can move by themselves. Living things can respond to stimuli. They are sensitive. How can we differentiate that they can easily respond or stimuli? Because if I'm saying that if I will slap someone, the front person will respond by crying, weeping or maybe angry. So this is the way we can differentiate that living things can respond to stimuli because they are sensitive. Living things can respire, they can excrete, living things can reproduce. Reproduce means the same kind of things can reborn like baby, if example of pets. So all the living things need food to stay alive. They also need air and water. Without air and water, living things will die. Non-living things do not need food, air and water. For example, we can see the cow is eating a grass because cow is living things. The young ones of all living things grow and bigger in size with passing of time. For example, if I'm saying a baby who is in 4 years, whose age is 4 years, after some year, not the age of the baby is gonna change. At the same time, their body, their shape is also gonna change. So the young ones of all living things grow bigger in size with passing of time. For example, a seed grow and become a plant. Similarly, a baby grow and become an adult. Non-living things do not grow. Example, rock is a non-living things which does not grow and does not become bigger in size. So this is the characteristics we can differentiate between the living things and non-living things. All the living things move by themselves without any external help. If I'm saying without any external help, means it does not require any kind of force or external force to help for their movement. Animals can move from one place to another they can move their body parts. So this is the way we can characterize or differentiate between the living things and non-living things. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.